Hey everyone, welcome to day 11 of my high frequency GRE vocabulary series. If you are ready to boost your GRE vocabulary, you are absolutely in the right spot. Today we are diving into 3 keywords that will supercharge your GRE preparation, and those words are recondite, mendacious and dupe. I'll break down each word, explore its meaning, then show you how it's used in sentences, then apply all 3 keywords in a short passage that represents a real life scenario so that you will remember them deeply for life. So stay with me until the end to fully master these words. Ready to get started? Let's jump into our first word, and that is recondite. Recondite means difficult to understand. For instance, the professor explained the recondite concept and it was very difficult for the students to understand. Or the scientist shared recondite information that only a few people could understand. Next word is mendacious. Mendacious means lying or not telling the truth. For instance, his mendacious stories always made it hard to trust him. Or the mendacious report was filled with false information. And the last word is dupe. Dupe means to deceive someone. For instance, the scammer tried to dupe people with a fake offer, or she was duped by a fake website. And that's all for the words and their sentences. For the short passage, please visit the link in the description box where you can download it. And that's a wrap for today. We have covered recondite, mendacious and dupe, exploring their meanings and their real life usage. I hope these words are now crystal clear to you and ready to use. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more GRE tips and ring the bell so you never miss any update. Anyway, stay blessed and stay tuned for the next video.